Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize your LinkedIn profile in 2026. A well-optimized LinkedIn profile helps you appear in more searches, attract recruiters, and build a stronger professional presence. First, sign in to your LinkedIn account and open your profile. Start by uploading a high-quality, professional profile photo. Then add a background banner image that matches your industry or personal brand. Next, update your headline. Instead of listing only your job title, include your key skills or the value you provide. This helps people quickly understand what you do. After that, write a compelling asterisk about asterisk section that highlights your experience, achievements, and career goals in a clear and professional way. Now review your asterisk experience asterisk section. Add your current and previous jobs with detailed descriptions of your responsibilities and accomplishments. Whenever possible, include measurable results to make your profile more impressive. Don't forget to add your education, certifications, licenses, projects, and volunteer experience if they're relevant. Then update your asterisk skills asterisk section by adding skills that match your profession and ask trusted colleagues or connections to endorse them. Next, customize your LinkedIn profile URL to make it shorter and more professional. Also, enable the asterisk open to work asterisk feature if you're looking for new job opportunities, and make sure your contact information is up to date so recruiters can reach you easily. To keep your profile active, regularly share useful posts, comment on industry discussions, and connect with professionals in your field. An active profile is more likely to appear in LinkedIn search results and attract new opportunities. Finally, review your profile for spelling mistakes, outdated information, or incomplete sections. A complete and professional profile creates a strong first impression and increases your chances of networking and career growth. And that's how to optimize your LinkedIn profile in 2026.